Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan marhaba. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 100 plus common verbs in Arabic with English translation. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. In this part, question and answer are made for the following pronouns: he and she. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Tashrabu, she drinks. Tashrabu, she drinks. Okay, the next one. Maza taf'alu, what's she doing? Maza taf'alu, what's she doing? The next one. Hiya tashrabul kahwa, she is drinking coffee. Hiya tashrabul kahwa. The next one. Hiya tashrabul kahwa fi sabah, she drinks coffee in the morning. هي تشرب القهوة في الصباح. Okay, the next one. هي تحب أن تشرب القهوة في الصباح, she likes to drink coffee in the morning. هي تحب أن تشرب القهوة في الصباح, she likes to drink coffee in the morning. Okay, the next one. يأكل, he eats. يأكل. ماذا يفعل, what's he doing? هو يأكل الطعام, he is eating food. هو يأكل الطعام, he is eating food. The next one. هو يأكل طعام الغداء, he is eating lunch. Let's repeat. هو يأكل طعام الغداء, he is eating lunch. Okay, the next one. هو يحب أن يأكل الوجبات السريعة, he likes to eat fast food. هو يحب أن يأكل الوجبات السريعة, he likes to eat fast food. Okay, the next one. ينام, he sleeps. Let's repeat. ينام. And the next one. ماذا يفعل, what's he doing? هو ينام في السرير, he is sleeping in bed. هو ينام في السرير. هو يحب أن ينام مبكرا, هو يحب أن ينام مبكرا, he likes to sleep early. هو يحب أن ينام مبكرا, he likes to sleep early. The next one. تستيقظ, she wakes up. هي تستيقظ في وقت متأخر كل يوم, she wakes up late every day. هي تستيقظ في وقت متأخر كل يوم, she wakes up late every day. she تستيقظ wakes up متأخر كل يوم, every day, late every day. Okay, هي تستيقظ في الساعة 10. She wakes up at 10 o'clock. هي تستيقظ في الساعة 10. She wakes up at 10 o'clock. She تستيقظ wake up في الساعة 10 10 o'clock. يمشي he walks. يمشي. ماذا يفعل what's he doing. هو يمشي he is walking. he يمشي is walking. هو يمشي مع الكلب. She is walking with his dog. هو يمشي مع كلبي. He is walking with his dog. هو يحب أن يمشي ليلا. He likes to walk at night. هو يحب أن يمشي ليلا. He likes to walk at night. تركض she runs. تركض she runs. ماذا تفعل what's she doing. هي تركض على الشاطئ. She is running on the beach. هي تركض على الشاطئ. She is running on the beach. هي تركض كل يوم في الساعة 6. She runs every day at 6 o'clock. هي تركض كل يوم في الساعة 6. She runs every day at 6 o'clock. Okay, the next one. هي تحب أن ترقد مبكرا. She likes to run early. ينظف he cleans. ينظف he cleans. ماذا يفعل what's he doing. هو ينظف he is cleaning. هو ينظف بيته دائما. He cleans his house always. he ينظف cleans بيته his house دائما always. هو ينظف بيته دائما. He cleans his house always. يجب أن ينظف بيته. He should clean his house. يجب أن ينظف بيته. He should clean his house. يجب he should ينظف clean بيته his house. تطبخ she cooks. تطبخ she cooks. ماذا تفعل what's she doing. هي تطبخ في المطبخ. She is cooking in the kitchen. هي تطبخ في المطبخ. She is cooking. هي تطبخ السمك يوم الأحد. She cooks fish on Sunday. هي تطبخ السمك يوم الأحد. She cooks fish on Sunday. هي تطبخ السمك يوم الأحد. The next one. هي تريد أن تطبخ الرز والدجاج. She wants to cook rice and chicken. she تريد أن wants to تطبخ cook الرز rice والدجاج and chicken. هي تريد أن تطبخ الرز والدجاج. She wants to cook rice and chicken. The next one. يذهب. He goes. يذهب. ماذا يفعل? What's he doing? هو يذهب إلى العمل كل يوم. He goes to work every day. he يذهب goes إلى العمل to work كل يوم every day. هو يذهب إلى عمله بالسيارة. He goes to his work by car. he يذهب goes إلى عمل to his work بالسيارة by car. هو يذهب إلى عمله بالسيارة. He goes to his work by car. The next one. هو لا يذهب إلى عمله بالحافلة. He does not go to his work by bus. هو لا يذهب. He does not go إلى عمله to his work بالحافلة by bus. بالحافلة mean bus and عمله work. The next one. هو لا يحب أن يذهب إلى المدرسة. He does not like to go to school. هو لا يحب أن يذهب إلى المدرسة. هو لا يريد أن يذهب إلى المدرسة. He does not want to go to school. هو لا يريد أن يذهب إلى المدرسة. He does not want to go to school. Okay, the next one. ترجع. She returns. ترجع. She returns. ماذا تفعل? What's she doing? هي ترجع إلى البيت في المساء. She returns home in the evening. she ترجع returns إلى البيت home في المساء in the evening. The next one. هي ترجع من المدرسة صيرا على الأقدام. She returns back from school on foot. هي ترجع. She returns back من المدرسة from the school صيرا على الأقدام on foot. The next one. هي تحب أن ترجع من المدرسة سيرا على الأقدام. She likes to come back from school on foot. هي تحب أن ترجع من المدرسة سيرا على الأقدام. She likes to come back from school on foot. Okay, the next one. يعزف. He plays. يعزف. He plays. ماذا يفعل? What's he doing? هو يعزف الموسيقى. He is playing music. he يعزف is playing موسيقى music. The next one. هو يعزف على الجيتار. He is playing the guitar. هو يعزف على الجيتار. The next one. هو يعزف الموسيقى في المطعم. He is playing music in the restaurant. هو يعزف الموسيقى في المطعم. The next one. هو يحب أن يعزف على الجيتار. He likes to play the guitar. هو لا يحب أن يعزف على الجيتار. He does not like to play the guitar. هو he لا يحب does not like يعزف play على الجيتار guitar. Okay. هو لا يحب أن يعزف على الجيتار. He does not like to play the guitar. Okay, the next one. تلعب. She plays. ماذا تفعل? What's she doing? هي تلعب بالكرة. She is playing with the ball. هي تلعب بالكرة. She is playing with the ball. هي she تلعب playing with كرة the ball. Okay, the next one. هي تلعب كرة القدم يوم العطلة. She plays football in the holiday day off. هي تلعب كرة القدم يوم العطلة. هي تلعب كرة القدم يوم العطلة. Okay, the next one. هي تريد أن تلعب كرة القدم مع أصدقائها. She wants to play football with her friends. هي she تريد أن wants to تلعب play كرة القدم football مع with أصدقائها her friends. يدرس he studies. يدرس he studies. ماذا يفعل? Okay, the next one. هو يدرس درسه. He is studying his lesson. هو يدرس درسه. He is studying his lesson. هو he يدرس is studying درسه his lesson. هو يدرس كثيرا. He studies a lot. هو يدرس كثيرا. He studies a lot. يجب أن يدرس للامتحان. He should study for the exam. يجب he should أن يدرس study للامتحان. ماذا يدرس؟ هو يدرس الطب. He is studying medicine. هو يدرس الطب. هو he يدرس studying طب medicine. ماذا تدرس؟ هي تدرس الطب. She is studying medicine. هي mean she تدرس studying طب medicine. ماذا يفعل؟ What's he doing? The first one. هو يبتسم. He is smiling. يبتسم smiling. The next one and second one. هو يضحك. He is laughing. يضحك mean laughing. The third one. هو يبكي. He is crying. يبكي mean crying. Let's repeat. هو يبتسم. He is smiling. The next one. هو يضحك. He is laughing. The third one. هو يبكي. He is crying. The next one. ماذا تفعل? What's she doing? هي تبتسم. She is smiling. The second one. هي تضحك. She is laughing. The third one. هي تبكي. She is crying. Okay, the next one. يغني. He sings. ماذا يفعل؟ What's he doing؟ هو يغني أغنية. He is singing a song. هو يغني singing أغنية song. هو يحب الغناء كثيرا. He likes singing a lot. هو يحب likes غناء singing كثيرا a lot. ماذا يفعل؟ What's he doing؟ The first one هو يفتح الباب. He is opening the door. هو يفتح opening الباب door. And هو يغلق الباب. He is closing the door. The next one ماذا يفعل؟ What's he doing؟ هو يشعل الضوء. He is turning on the light. In second picture هو يطفئ الضوء. He is turning off the light. In first picture هو يشعل turning on the light. And second picture هو يطفئ الضوء turning off the light. ماذا تفعل؟ What's he doing؟ هي تجلس على الكنبة. She is sitting on the sofa. هي تجلس على الكنبة. She is sitting on the sofa. هي تقف بجانب الباب. She is standing near the door. she تقف is standing بجانب near الباب the door. Okay, the next one. ماذا يفعل؟ What's he doing؟ هو يقرأ. He is reading. And هو يكتب. He is writing. يقرأ mean reading and يكتب mean writing. It's for boys or male. For female ماذا تفعل؟ What's he doing؟ هي تقرأ. She is reading. And هي تكتب. She is writing. تقرأ reading and تكتب writing. هي she تقرأ reading and هي she تكتب writing. Okay, the next one. أين يعمل؟ Where does he work؟ أين where يعمل work. هو يعمل في شركة. He works in a company. The next one. أين تعمل؟ Where does she work؟ هي تعمل في شركة. She works in a company. هي تعمل في شركة. The next one. أين يعمل المعلم؟ Where does the teacher work؟ المعلم يعمل في المدرسة. The teacher works in the school. Mean male teacher. Okay. المعلم يعمل في المدرسة. Okay, the next one. أين تعمل المعلمة؟ Where does the female teacher work؟ أين تعمل المعلمة؟ Okay, المعلمة تعمل في المدرسة. The female teacher work in the school. Okay, the next one. أين يسكن؟ Where does he live? It's for male. Okay. And the next. أين تسكن? Where does she live? It's for female. And شقة apartment, flat. And بيت home, house. Okay, the next one. هو يسكن في بيت. He lives in a house. Okay, it's for male. هو. And هي تسكن في شقة. She live in a flat. Okay, the next one. ماذا يحمل? What is he carrying? Okay, it's for male. And ماذا تحمل? What is she carrying? It's for female. Okay. And صندوق, box. And case, bag. Okay, the next one. هو يحمل صندوق. He carrying صندوق, box. And هي تحمل كيسا. She carrying bag. Okay, هو يحمل صندوقا and هي تحمل كيسا. Okay, first sentence for male and second sentence for female. Okay, the next one. ماذا يفعل? What's he doing? Okay, it's for male. هو يضع الورقة في الصندوق. He is putting the paper in the box. And second sentence, ماذا تفعل? What's she doing? Okay, it's for female. هي تضع الورقة في الصندوق. She is putting the paper in the box. First sentence for male and second sentence for female. Now we will discuss the 5 senses in Arabic. Al-Hawasul Khamsa. 5 senses. Okay, and make sentence with senses. In this part, question are made for the following pronouns: you masculine and you feminine. Hasatul basar, sight. Hasatul basar, sight. Ara bi aynay, I see with my 2 eyes. Ara bi aynay, I see with my eyes. The next one. Ara kittatan sawda, I see a black cat. Ara kittatan sawda, I see a black cat. Ara, I see kittatan, cat, sawda, black. Okay, the next one. Okay, when you ask someone what you see and what they see, so ماذا ترى? What do you see? It's for male. Okay, ماذا ترى? It's for male. And ماذا ترين? It's for female. What do you see? ماذا ترين? What do you see? Okay, ماذا ترى is for male and ماذا ترين is for female. Okay, the next one. ماذا تشاهد? What are you watching? It's for male. Okay, and ماذا تشاهدين? What are you watching? It's for female. تشاهد, it's for male, and تشاهدين, it's for female. Okay, ماذا تشاهد? What are you watching? And ماذا تشاهدين? What are you watching? أنا أشاهد التلفزيون. أنا أشاهد التلفزيون. I am watching television. تلفاز or television is same meaning. Okay, أنا أشاهد التلفزيون. I am watching television. Okay, the next one. أنا أشاهد الأخبار. I am watching the news. أنا أشاهد الأخبار. أخبار mean news. Next one. أنا أشاهد الرسوم المتحركة. أنا أشاهد الرسوم المتحركة. I am watching cartoon. I am watching cartoon. أنا mean I and أشاهد I am watching رسوم المتحركة cartoons. Okay, the next one. أنا أشاهد برنامجي المفضل. I am watching my favorite show. أنا أشاهد برنامجي المفضل. I am watching my favorite show. I am watching my favorite show. Okay, the next one. حاسة السمع hearing. حاسة السمع hearing. أسمع بأذني. I am hear my ears. أسمع بأذني. I hear with my ears. Mean 2 ears. ماذا تسمع? What do you hear? ماذا تسمع? What do you hear? ماذا تسمع? What do you hear? Okay, the next one. أنا أسمع مواء القطة. I hear the cat meow. أنا أسمع مواء القطة. إلى ماذا تستمع؟ What are you listening to? إلى ماذا تستمع؟ What are you listening to? أنا أستمع إلى الموسيقى. أنا أستمع إلى الموسيقى. Okay, the next one. هل تسمعوني? Can you hear me? It's for male, okay? When you ask female, you use تستمعني. Okay, can you hear me? Next. حاسة الشم smell. حاسة الشم. أشم بأنفي. I smell with my nose. أشم بأنفي. I smell with my nose. The next one. ماذا تشم? What do you smell? ماذا تشم? What do you smell? أشم رائحة الزهور. The next one. حاسة التذوق taste. Okay, حاسة التذوق taste. أتذوق بلساني. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. بلساني tongue. كيف طعم الأكل? How is the taste of the food? طعمه لذيذ. It tastes delicious. Okay. كيف how طعم taste الأكل food. طعمه لذيذ. It tastes delicious. Okay, the next one. أنا أحب البرتقال. I like orange. أنا أحب البرتقال. I like orange. أنا I أحب I like okay. برتقال mean orange. أنا أحب برتقال. I like orange. أنا لا أحب البرتقال. أنا لا أحب البرتقال. I don't like orange. Okay, the next one. أنا أحب القهوة. I like coffee. أنا أحب القهوة. I like coffee. أنا لا أحب القهوة. أنا لا أحب القهوة. I don't like coffee. حاسة اللمس. حاسة اللمس touch. Okay. ألمس بيدي. I touch with my hand. ألمس بيدي. I touch my hand with my hand. Okay. هذا الدب ناعم. This bear is soft. هذا this. Okay, let's one more repeat. Basar, sight, and asma, hearing, sham, smell, tazawwuq, taste, lams, touch. Congratulations, we have completed the lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, ala hafiz wada'a araka qariban. Goodbye. See you soon.